Hello, welcome back to English Patshala. In this lesson, I am going to share 100 very common but important sentences for your conversation in English. And when I am going to try to share those sentences, please try to listen to me very carefully and focus even the way I deliver or pronounce a sentence, even a word. Practice with me. So let's begin. Basic greetings. How to start? Number 1. How are you today? What's up? How's it going? How's everything? Long time no see. How have you been? Responding to a greet. I'm fine, thanks. I'm great, thanks. Couldn't be better. Not much. I'm okay. Now, how to say goodbye? You can say bye-bye or goodbye. I got to go or I gotta go. It was a pleasure. See you later. Stay on touch. Catch you later. See you soon. Or hasta la vista. Though it's Spanish, but it is used in English very commonly. Hasta la vista. Asking for information. Can or could you tell me? So you can ask someone like, can you tell me where English Patshala is? Or could you tell me where English Patshala is? You can ask more politely like, would you please tell me where English Patshala is? Asking for someone's opinion. Like you can say, what do you think about that? Or what are your views on this? Do you want to add something here? What is your comment? Giving opinions and contribution. You can say, it seems to me, or I think this is a good idea. As far as I am concerned, this is the best decision. Or, yeah, you have a point here. Agreeing with something or someone. You can say, I agree with you here. Or, I couldn't agree with you more. You can say, it will serve the purpose. Or, you are absolutely right. Disagreeing. Like, I'm sorry, I disagree here. Or, I'm afraid I can't agree with you. Or, you missed the boat. Making suggestions. What do you say? What do you say? Where we should go for dinner? How about? How about having fish for the dinner? Responding to a suggestion. You can say, it sounds good to me. Or, that would be great. Or, you could say, I don't think so that would work. Or, I'm not interested to talk about it. Interrupting someone. You can say, sorry to interrupt you here. Or, can I stop you there for a moment? Allowing interrupting. You can say, sure, carry on. Or, of course, go ahead. Refusing interrupting. Like, let me finish. Or, let me finish. You can say, hold on there for a while. Asking for permission. may I use your phone? Or could I use your phone? You can say, do you mind if I use your phone? Or would it be okay if I use your phone? Asking for repetition. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I couldn't catch that. Or I didn't catch that. Would you mind repeating the question, please? Or even you can say, would you please speak a little more slowly? Thanks. Making request. How to make a request. Would you mind telling me your name? Or could you please pass the salt? Or I was wondering if you can lend me some money. Responding to a request. Sure, I can. No problem, I can help you here. I would love to. Or I'm afraid I can't help you here today. Or sorry, I can't right now. How to thank someone? You can start like, thank you, or thank you very much. Thank you for all you have done. That's very kind of you. Thanks a million. Thanks a ton. Thanks a bunch. Responding to a thank. You're welcome, or you're most welcome. It's my pleasure, or don't mention it. Anytime. I love to. How to apologize? You can say, sorry, I'm very sorry, I'm sorry for that. Or you can accept my sincere apology, I beg you, or pardon me. Accepting an apologies. It's my fault. Don't worry about it. Or I am fully responsible. Getting someone's attention. Excuse me, or hey, you. Getting someone to listen to you. You can say, listen up. Are you paying attention to me? Or are you listening to me? Confirming that you are paying attention. I hear you. I heard you. I'm with you. I'm still here. I get your point. I am all ears. Expressing support for someone. Like, I will stand by you. I am with you. I am on your side. You can count on me. Offering a help to someone. Let me know if there is anything I can do. I'm here if you need me. I'm here for you. If you need me, make a call. That's all for this lesson. Thank you very much for being with us. Yet, lastly, I could like to say that if you really want to improve your English, make sure that every time, whenever you have a chance, you're using these sentences in your conversation. Best of luck.